Hayden Birdsall gets the call from the pen.
Well, at this point of the ball game, we're talking about middle innings, and we need a little length out of this arm coming out of the bullpen.
Oh, now this is blasted way back there, on its way, gone. He made him pay for that one. His 29th of the season, and they add a pair. It's 5-zip.
He's been so difficult to pitch against lately. He wanted to hit, spit on some other pitches in this at bat, was very patient, and it paid off.
Try to knock me down, but I'm resilient. There's nothing you can do to me to keep me from fulfilling my dreams. Sometimes it's like it's not.
Here's